As a manufacturing company, you need to be efficient, agile, and responsive to stay competitive in today's market. But managing all the different parts of your business can be challenging. You have your procurement team sourcing raw materials, your inventory team managing stock levels, your production team building your products, your sales team closing deals, and your finance team keeping track of the numbers. But what if all these different departments could work together seamlessly, sharing information and resources to maximize efficiency and productivity? That's where Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, comes in. With ERP, your procurement team can easily source the materials they need and track purchase orders and delivery dates, ensuring that your inventory team has the materials they need when they need them. Your inventory team can use the system to track stock levels, monitor demand, and optimize supply chain management, reducing excess inventory and minimizing waste. The production team can use ERP to manage their schedules, track production progress, and streamline their workflows, ensuring that products are built efficiently and on time. Your sales team can use ERP to manage customer relationships, track orders, and access real-time information on inventory levels and delivery dates, improving communication and increasing customer satisfaction. Finally, your finance team can use ERP to manage financial data, generate reports, and streamline accounting processes, providing you with a clear picture of your company's financial health. By bringing all these different parts of your business together, ERP can help your manufacturing company run more efficiently, respond more quickly to changing market conditions, and ultimately grow your business.